Hello everybody! Today we are diving into the world of high-powered and totally not budget-friendly workstations with a Dell Precision 7680, featuring an Intel i9 processor and an NVIDIA RTX 4000 graphics card. This laptop is built for professionals who need their top-tier performance and reliability. Let's see how it handles everyday tasks and some serious complex projects. Let's get started! Dell Precision 7680 catches the eye with its sleek and professional design. Its sturdy aluminum body gives a solid feel, perfect for those who want their laptop to scream, "I'm in business!" Weighing in at around 2.7 kilograms, which is about 5.9 pounds, it's a bit heavier than your average gaming laptop, but hey, with a great power comes great weight distribution. Despite the heft, it's easy to lug around from your home office to that corner cafe where you pretend to work. The keyboard has a neat white backlight. No flashy RGB here, folks. This is strictly business class. The keys are soft and responsive, making typing a dream. The touchpad, big, precise, and joy to use. It's like a yoga mat of the touchpads, giving your fingers a workout without a sweat. The Dell Precision 7680 sports a 16-inch IPS display with a 4K UHD Plus resolution and HDR support. The screen is so bright and sharp, it's like having a mini sun on your lap. With a maximum of brightness of 500 nits, you could probably work in the middle of the desert at high noon. The color accuracy top-notch, covering 100% of sRGB and 90% of DCL-P3. Designers, photographers, anyone who likes their color vibrant will be in heaven. So now the performance. This is where the Dell Precision 7680 flexes its muscles. Armed with an Intel Core i9 13th generation processor and an NVIDIA RTX 4000 graphics card, it's ready to tackle the toughest tasks you throw at it. With a 32GB of memory RAM and dual SSDs, it's like having a tiny, ultra-efficient factory in your backpack. Now, let's talk about the graphics card. The NVIDIA RTX 4000 is a beast of pros working with the graphics, video and 3D modeling. It comes with 8 gigs of video memory and real-time ray tracing technology. This card also boosts performance in the video editing application. Hello, Adobe Suite and other resource-intensive tasks, ensuring smooth, speedy workflow. Perfect for designers, architects, and videographers who need top-tier graphics performance. For gaming, the RTX 4000 can handle modern games at high settings, delivering great graphics and frame rates. But if gaming is your main gig, you might want to check out NVIDIA GeForce series cards like RTX 4080 or 4090 for even better performance. Let's talk about the processor real quick. The Intel Core i9-13950HX processor in the Dell Precision 7680 is the power horse with 16 cores and 24 threads. It can breathe through any task you throw at it, thanks to its high clock speed and Intel Turbo Boost technology. Video gaming, 3D modeling, and software development run without a hitch. And yes, it's great for gaming too, providing stable and high performance. But remember, the Dell Precision is a pricey workstation. And if you are mostly gaming and looking for something more budget-friendly, Intel Core i7 processor offer great performance at much lower cost. One of the standout features of the Dell Precision 7680 is its cooling system. It efficiently manages heat even under heavy loads, keeping the laptop stable without overheating. It remains relatively quiet even during intense tasks, so you can work in peace without sounding like you are at the airport runway, if you know what I mean. The 96-watt battery provides impressive longevity. For typical use surfing the web, working on documents, you'll get about 8 to 9 hours. For more demanding tasks like video rendering or 3D graphics, expect about 3 to 4 hours. Not bad for a power horse like this. The Dell Precision 7680 has all the ports you need. 3 USB 3.2, 2 USB Type-C with a Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, Ethernet, an audio jack, and even SD card slot. You can connect all your devices and accessories without any fuss. It also supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 for fast and stable connections. And in conclusion, the Dell Precision 7680 is a powerful and reliable workstation for professionals. It offers outstanding performance, a high-quality display with accurate color reproduction, and robust build. Despite its high price, it's worth every penny for those who need a powerful tool for graphic design, video editing, and other demanding tasks. It's the ideal choice for anyone seeking a high-performing and dependable workstation for professional use. This beast can handle any task from graphic to video to 3D modeling, making it a trusty sidekick in your work adventures. And as always, let's take this baby apart to see what we can repair or upgrade. Stay tuned. Let's go! Alright everybody, as always we're going to be starting from the bottom side of the laptop. Make sure your laptop is completely shut down. Around the edges you would be able to see all the screws. They all are exposed, so there are no hidden screws, nothing to worry about it. With my pry tool I carefully popped the bottom case and it went like a butter, very smooth. And here it is, here is that beauty. The best part about this laptop, it's like a big Lego. So every single part is interchangeable here. You got a 3 SD card slots, you got a LTE slot, you got a Wi-Fi. There are 2 slots for memory RAM. However, the best part is the video card can be detached from the motherboard, as well as memory RAM slots. So in case if any of them fail, you can easily replace them without very expensive and pricey fix. Thank you guys for watching. Love, peace to everybody.